If you like this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel. This is just a short video to show how this sill cover comes off of the later XK8s and XKRs. So I thought I'd do it because I couldn't find it on the internet of how to do it, but it isn't too hard. So this is the sill cover that I'm talking about. I think it's designed to give a bit more protection. It's made up of two components. You've got the end cap here, and then the rest is all in one piece. So there's a row of fasteners that go along here, very similar to internal trim fasteners, and there's also a row of fasteners underneath as well. Again, they're plastic rivets similar to the inside. I don't know whether I can show you here. So there's one just there. But what I'm finding, I'm just prise that out slightly with a screwdriver, and then to reduce damage, get a trim tool on. That trim tool I've got's not ideal because the gap's a little bit big. Different ways you can do it. You can use a set of pliers, you can use a trim tool, which often works quite well. And once that's out, as you can see, the rivet's already displacing itself. Just take the rivet out. So you need to do that in a number of places along. I'll do that now, and I'll show you the next part. So that's the centre of the rivet, and the main part just there. So it's just made up as simple as that. Okay, so once they're all out across the bottom, you can see it's loose all the way along now. So the next bit is you need to just get the end part out of the way. Right, so now that's moved slightly, I'm going to tape it up just to protect the surface. Also, I'm going to put a little bit of tape around the end of there. So you need to knock just on the edge there, and it will move the whole panel further along, and it will take the clips away. You see it moving already? There we go. Let's see if I can move this by hand now. As you can see, it's moved away from the front. And I've got some matting down below, so if it does fall down, it's not going to damage anything. And this last one here should just be able to push this up, and that comes off. As you can see, I've got some rust. So it looks like on my car, just like a Mini, there's an element of rust here, so I'm going to get that cleaned back at some point very soon, and at least be protected, and decide at what point I get this fixed. It might be now. As you can see at the front, it's not too bad, just looks like surface corrosion, which I'm quite pleased about. I should be able to salvage the front, but it looks like maybe the back needs more work. To reinstall this, you'll need to line all of these up with these on here and then slide it back. It'll be, you tap it the other end, but of course you'd need to remember to put this piece on first, otherwise there's no way you'll get that in afterwards. At least I don't think you would.